Message from up high, straight from Zion to the sky. Every breeze a holy sign, whisper words for peace divine. Wings of Jah they never tire, fan the flame of righteous fire. Winds of Jah blow strong and free, spread the truth across the sea. Lift the soul and clear the way. Guide we through another day. Me stand pon cliff and feel it blow. Bring the blessings that we know. It touch me skin, it cool me bro. Remind me Jah is here and now. It move the trees in gentle sway, turn the night into bright day. Every ghost a sacred prayer, tell the world Jah spirit there. When Babylon a build them wall, wings of Jah will make it fall. It slip through crack, it climb the gate. It carry love, it crush the hate. No man can chain the breath of life. It calm the storm, it end the strife. It whisper hope in darkest night, and lift we up to Zion height. Me hear it dance through Market Street, mix with laughter, make it sweet. It cool the elder upon the chair, bring fresh life to everywhere. From mountain top to ocean deep, it got the flock that Jah keep. Every blow a blessing true. Wind of Jah will carry you before the dusk, before the rain. Winds of Jah still will remain. It carry chant and drumbeat sound, circle round and round and round. From east to west, from north to south, it fill the earth from mouth to mouth, till kingdom come and time is true. Winds of Jah will see we through. Blow high, blow low, carry the seed till it grow. From shore to shore, land to land, spread the works of Jah and no storm can turn, no wall can hold. Winds of Jah forever bold. Winds of Jah blow strong and free, spread the truth across the sea. Lift the soul and clear the way. Guide we through another day. From mountain high to valley low, winds of Jah forever blow.
Nah, nah, nah. Meditate with Zion Reggae, yeah, man.
From early dawn till setting sun, now your bingy drum a beat fi run. Echo deep in mountainside, call the children far and wide. Every strike a message clear, Jah spirit always near. Drumbeat guide the righteous way. to strife. No border, no wall, no chain can hold in a bingy flame. From sunrise till day is done, drumbeat keep the people one. Drumbeat of Zion, strong and true. Call the old and call the new. Every step we march in time to Jah love in perfect rhyme. From mountain top to valley deep, drumbeat of Zion we always keep.
Still old, it blaze until the work is done.
lie. Underneath your blessed sky, crystal clear and cool me hand. Water pure fi heal the land. Every drop of holy grace reflect the sunlight on your face. River of Zion never dry, carry hope as it pass by. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jah Jah song. Me kneel beside the river bank, give me thanks, me praise, me frank. It feed the root, it feed the seed, it give the earth all she need. Children splash and elders smile, water run fi mile and mile. Every ripple, every wave, tell the story Jah once gave. When the drought burn the plain, river come with healing rain. Babylon dam can't stop the flow, from Jah mountain it will go. It cool the heart, it calm the mind, bring the peace we all must find. Through the desert, through the storm, river keep we safe and warm. Me follow stream to valley deep, where secrets of creation sleep. The fish them swim, the birds them call. River bless and feed them all. No greed can take, no man can own. This water from Jah alone. It teach the youth how life will stay when we live in Jah Jah way. Before the moonlight touch the wave, river sing fi all Jah save. From dawn till night, from year to year, river keep the spirit near. It never stop, it never rest. Jah creation at its best. River of Zion always run till the works of Jah are done. Flow strong, flow slow, carry the seed till it grow. From hilltop high to ocean wide, river bring Jah love inside. No chain, no gate, no wall can bind. Water of life for all mankind. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jah Jah song. From source to sea, from start to end. River of Zion, eternal friend. This is Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Early in the morning, sunrise in gold. Me light up the chalice, give thanks for the soul. Birds them a chant and the breeze whisper low. Rasta man walk on the green earth slow. Roots in a me veins, Jah fire in a me chest. Meditation deep, me spirit manifest. In a silence, me hear the truth confess. Life a sacred, no need for stress. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool. In a wisdom, me a swim Jah rule. No Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. Me say cleanse the soul like river wash stone. Drop the ego, standing truth alone. I a prayer, every breath divine. Link with the cosmos, me feel the sign. Time and illusion, me step out a line. In a timeless space, Rasta man align. Drums beat low like ancient code. Ancestral voices in a reggae mode. Me dance with the moon, me chant with the trees. Me reason with wind, me float with ease. This journey not just about blaze and chant. It's about roots and culture. Oh, you plant the seeds of love. In heart them grow till the whole world feel the righteous flow. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool. In a wisdom, me a swim ja rule. No Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. Ital food pan the fire bubbling sweet. Yam cassava, no blood, no meat. Livity clean, heart skip, no beat. Balance me life, me not taste defeat. Sister and brethren, gather in a circle. Share word, share herb, we never commercial. The vibes them pure like river universal. Unity real, no superficial. Chalice pass with respect and care. No greed, no rush, we aware. Each draw sacred like breath of air. One heart, one mind, one love declare. So when you feel lost, remember this line. Smoke with intention, align the mind. Meditate deeply, Babylon behind. In a Jah light, true peace you find. Zion echoes like thunder roll. Reggae wisdom fit heal the soul. This not just music, this is control of self, of love. Full, all,
Na 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 na, Jah bless the people, yeah man. Rastafari live and reign. Smoke not to escape, but to elevate. Ease your mind, open your soul. Me barefoot on the red dirt trail. In a earth, me trust me never frail. Sky a paint the sunset tail. Birds a sing, breeze a sail. Herbs in a me palm, pure like truth. A gift from Jah, he guide the youth. One spark lighted, fire of proof. Meditation, bring back me roots. Me no rush, me take me time. Each breath sacred, each draw divine. It's no party, we are plastic line. It's liberty, real like sacred sign. Breathe in a freedom, exhale the pain. Let the smoke carry blessings like rain. Dance with the wind, no carry no chain. In a the silence, me hear Jah name. Breathe in a freedom, float away high. Above all worry, above the sky. Open your soul, let the spirit fly. Me dep on the journey, Jah draw me nigh. Me burn Babylon stress, me free me mind. Now follow crowd, me walk Jah line. Me drink coconut water straight from vine. Ital food keep me temper fine. Gang in a background, rhythm so nice. Naya bingy drums, roll like dice. Each beat a heartbeat, sound precise. Life na fi hard, fi feel paradise. Rasta woman by me side, strong and kind. She plant the herbs, she read the sign. She chant the psalms, she keep me aligned. Me blessed beyond flesh, in soul me find. Me burn one spliff under the full moon. Meditate deep, hear Zion tune. whisper, wisdom soon. Me heart a beat like reggae crew. Me no in a politics, me in a peace. Me no war, me no police. Me no trap, in a fear or lease. Me live free, soul release. Breathe in a freedom, exhale the pain. Let the smoke carry blessings like rain. Dance with the wind, no carry no chain. In a the silence, me hear Jah name. Breathe in a freedom, float away high. Above all worry, above the sky. Open your soul, let the spirit fly. Me dep on the journey, Jah draw me nigh. Me travel light, me no own much, but me own peace, and that me clutch. Me own love, and that me trust. Me own a vibe, you can't corrupt.
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Reggae music and ganja, yeah, man. Me wake up with the sun pon me face. Jah blessing me step, me walk with grace. Me heart a drum, it beat in a pace that match the rhythm of this holy place. Me no need silver, me no need gold. Me need truth, me need a story untold. Me need the trees and the breeze them cool. Me need the fire to keep me soul bold. Me say love is me weapon, faith is me shield. Roots deeper than them plantation field. Me no fear them lies, me know what real. Rasta nah bend, we never kneel. Inna the light of Jah, me find me way. Chanting praises till the break of day. Smoke rise up, spirit fly away. One heart, one soul, one word pray. Inna the light of Jah, me stand tall. Even when the wicked try to make me fall, me hold the line, me hear Jah call. Me no walk alone, Jah guide it all. Me say chant down the earth with a holy tone. Plant love in a soil, watch how it grown. Me not talk war, me build from bone. From roots to crown, me clear me throne. I talp on me plate, me spirit clean. No toxins in a me body or in a me dream. I grade herb, make the vision beam. Me see beyond, me feel the unseen. Meditation pan mountain high. Me reason with clouds, me question sky. Me burn out doubt, me no ask why. Me just give thanks and let soul fly. Rhythm in a heartbeat, words in a flame. Jah give the gift, me chant the name. From Kingston Street to Addis Ababa, same Rastafari live, and me no shame. Me wear dreadlocks like crown of king. Me carry history in everything. Me voice a trumpet, me soul a string. Strum by Jah, hear the angels singing. At the light of Jah, me find me way. Chanting praises till the break of day. Smoke rise up, spirit fly away. One heart, one soul, one word praying. At the light of Jah, me stand tall. Even when the wicked try to make me fall, me hold the line, me hear Jah call. Me no walk alone, Jah guide it all. Them tell you lie about life and love, but me find truth in the flight of dove. In the moonlight, me pray above, for all the youths that search for love. Me say unity, that a the real goal. No care your color, your young or old. We all bred the same, same story told. Same sun warm, we same night cold. So pass the chalice, make we reason. Talk about liberty, truth and season. No illusion, no false allegiance. Just Jah works and souls allegiance. Me they are still in a Zion flame. Me not chase fame, me not play a game. Me walk with honor, me chant your name. And every rhythm carry that flame. Zion echoes, we bring the light. Rhythm fi heal, fi open sight. Me not stop till the world unite. Inna the love and Jah might.
Na na na, at Bubat and Sweat Kaya man. Me rise early when the sky still blue. Chalice light up, me thoughts feel true. In a bamboo grove, me soul retreat. Bare footstep, cool earth beneath me feet. Me draw from the pipe, exhale me pain. Me chant melodies in a smoke and rain. Bird them sing, tree them sway. Me heartbeat in a Rasta way. Bamboo talk, me listen keen. Them whisper secrets seen and unseen. Me not rush, me take it slow. Each breath a blessing, each puff me know. Me vision clear, no mist in sight. Me float in rhythm, hold Jah light. Me burn me fire in sacred shell. Me meditate where silence dwell. In a bamboo meditation, me find peace, me find vibration. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me sit in circle with me brethren them. Drumbeat rise like lion anthem. We pass the pipe in reverence. Smoke curl up like incense. Me speak of dreams, them speak of stars. We talk about healing, about ancient scars. Me nah need screen, me nah need phone. Me need the forest fi feel me own. Every leaf a teacher, every root a guide. Me overstand nature, me nah hide. Me soul in tune with bamboo's bend. It flex but never break me friend. So me live like that, humble and wise. Grounded in truth, high in the skies. Me burn herb not fi run away, but fi connect deeper every day. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me tread the land with no distress. Me heart beats strong, me soul feel blessed. Me meet the elder with eyes so deep. Him say, me youth, the mountain steep, but hold your name and burn it clean. Me see enough things that not be seen. So me sip me tea and chant me rhyme. Me reason deep, me lose all time. Me not preach but me speak from heart. Me words are spark, me vibes are art. If you're lost, come sit beside. Light up spliff and ride the tide. Me give you rhythm, me give you flame. Me give you Rasta with no shame. From bamboo roots to clouds so high. Zion echoes, echo in the sky.
Na 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 na. Ganja with reggae music, yeah man. Inna me yard peace, me water soul. Me dig in a earth and me feel whole. No Babylon light, just sunbeam. No concrete cage, just river stream. Every morning me greet the breeze, chant of psalms and rest in ease. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me live simple, give thanks for name. One love, one pot, ital flame. Cook with spice and ancient name. Me meditate in a early light. Me puff the chalice, mind take flight. Sound a bird and I a bingy drum. Me heart beat like ancient one. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden, place of light. Rest your worry, feel alright. Me see youth them lost in digital smoke, but me burn the green for truth evoke. Inna the roots me find me way. Listen to the trees when them start fi pray. Me nah need clock, me move with sun. Me time divine, me rush fi none. Me play the rhythm with natural hand. From soil to sound, me overstand. Them ask Rasta, why you always smile? Me say, me live for each holy mile. Me garden feed me belly and mind. Me herb elevate and me vibe kind. No poison food, no plastic beat. Me walk barefoot Panja street. Rasta life are roots and bloom. Me spirit dance in the moon. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden, place of light. Rest your worry, feel alright. Me share me seeds with me nearby youth. Teach them soil, teach them truth. Music and farming hand in hand. Me build the future with sound and land. Me nah preach, me live example. Show them peace, show them humble. Each verse a vine, each note a root. Each beat a fruit of reggae fruit. So when life stress and storm blow hard, come to Rasta yard, come guard. Me pour your tea from bush me pick. Me chant a healing slow and tick. Light up chalice, let go fear. Inna the garden, Jah always near. Zion echoes call you home, where Rasta never walk alone.
No. Babylon no stress, ganja help my soul, yeah man. Jadan Jalan. Raindrops fall pon the zinc rooftop. Me roll me spliff and a stop. Me girl asleep on me chest so warm. Thunder roar but me whole her calm. The fire inside still blaze so bright. Even though the sky lose light. Ganja scent and loving eyes. Me float away under stormy skies. No makeup, no show, no lie. Just her and I, real vibes high. The drops of rain I wash we clean. We love more deep than any dream. Roots in the rain, love still grow. Even when the wind a blow. Rasta heart and Empress soul. Together strong, together all. Drip drop fall, me still feel peace. She hold me tight, all pain release. Jah plant the seed, the love it stay. Roots in the rain, no fade away. We cook at all food, pon fire cool. Coconut stew warm me soul. Me Empress laugh when me sing off key. But still she say she love me melody.
We talk about Zion, talk about dreams, about little youth and river streams. Me roll the herb while she chant a psalm. Rain still fall but the vibe stay calm. Even in thunder Jah love remain. Even in hardship we never complain. A simple life but rich in sound. With each heartbeat me love rebound. Roots in the rain, deep them go. From mountain top to valley low. Me hold her hand, she hold me heart. One love flow, we never part. Rain pan roof but light within. The herb and she a cure me sin. No diamond ring but me soul she claim. Together we stand in Zion name. She plant basil, me plant thyme. The garden grow in just time. Each drop of rain a blessing come. Each thunder clap a holy drum. She dance barefoot on muddy ground. Laugh like breeze and spin around. Me sit and watch with grateful eye. Thankful for love, me can't deny. She no need gold, she no need throne. She make me hot, feel like home. And even when rain a beat the floor, me love her deep and me love her more. No morning come and sun arise. She still asleep with peace in eyes. Bird them sing and tree them sway. Another blessed Jah given day. Me give thanks for the storm last night. Fi show me love in darkness bright. She no run when things get tough. She ride the wave, she strong enough. So me light the chalice one more time. And praise the Most High for the sign. Roots in rain and still them thrive. Me love her more each day alive. Roots in the rain, still them rise. Like just sun in morning skies. Me empress real, me empress true. Me heart belong to share me crew. Even when the world feel cold, our love stay young, our soul stay old. From rain to shine we always grow. Roots in the rain, that's how we know. Even when the world feel cold, our love stay young, our soul stay old. From rain to shine we always grow. Roots in the rain, that's how we know.
Nah, nah, nah. Kingston, Australia, man.
Early morning light pan me face. Birds them sing, me rise in grace. Me roll a spliff with holy hand. Give thanks for the life Jah understand. Me backpack full with rhythms and vibes. Me spirit tuned to the ancestral tribes. Ital lunch, me queen pack sweet. Coconut water and tamarind treat. Me step on the road, barefoot free. No rush, just vibes, just let it be. Me sight the hills like lion's mane. Sun kiss the earth after last night's rain. We on a Zion road trip, no map, no fear. Blazing the herbs, chanting Janir. From mountain peak to riverside, we ride the rhythm, we ride the tide. Zion road trip, turn up the tune. Dance in the dust till rise of moon. Me heart beat loud, me soul feel light. Anja highway through day and night.
Me pull up on a yard in a sentence bay. Old Rasta say youth, you trod in the way. Heat brew me roots, tell story long. Of days of fire and nights of song. Me sit and reason under a key tree. About Marcus, Mali, Haile Selassie. Them days, them rough, but truth did shine. With love in heart and ganja in mind. Next stop, the beach where the breeze blow clean. Me float like leaf in the Caribbean dream. Me queen by me side, laughter loud. Me give thanks for life, me chant it proud. Smoke rise like prayer, like breath of earth. Me overstand, me soul's true worth. Meditation deep in a coconut grove. Me find me center, me spirit move. It's not about riches
dreams are Babylon gold. It's love and freedom, story told. Each mile me drive, me grow inside. Each song me sing, me drop me pride. Zion road trip, we rolling still, with Naya bingy beats and higher will. Me nah look back, me nah regret. Each moment sweet like a bass duet. We ride, we blaze, we reason high. We reach for stars in a deep blue sky. On Zion road, me find me peace. With each new track, me soul release. Me meet a sister in a Negril breeze. She teach me healing with forest leaves. She say, smoke the herb but know it's more. It open gates, it open door. Me link with dread in a Mobile Hills. He carve wood drums and chant for thrills. He say, music a medicine, sound a key. It unlock chains Babylon can't see. Me reason deep in a Portanio. Me write a verse in a root scenario. Each stop, each soul, each fire light. Add to the vision, me chant tonight. As me ride back home pan country lane, me carry joy, me carry no pain. Me leave behind stress and lies. Me live for truth, me spirit rise.
Na 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 na. Jah bless the Rasta nation, man. Yeah, man. Me wake up early, sun kiss me face. Birds are chanting at the morning grace. Me stretch me arms like tree in bloom. The earth a healing tune. Me boil me roots, me sip me tea. Me pray to Jah, fi guide me free. Me walk barefoot through morning dew. Me feel the pulse of life brand new. Me nah need diamond, me nah need fame. Me riches grow in Jah name. Each bite of fruit, each leaf me steam. Ital life like sacred dream. Me heartbeat ital, no chemical war. Pure from the soil like Jah's avatar. Me soul dance clean, me body stay bright. Ital in me blood, ital in a delight. Oh oh, ital heartbeat in every step me feet. Me kitchen smell like ancient ground. Turmeric, thyme, and herbs profound. Me stir me pot with Rasta on. Each spice a prayer, fi overstand. Me bless me food before me bite. Ital feed me inner light. No meat, no poison, just what grow. Me follow Jah, me spirit know. Inna me yard, me plant me greens. Spinach, callaloo, healing beans. Me love the dirt pon me fingertip. Each harvest come with jammanship. Me climb the hill when world get loud. Me find peace in the highest cloud. Spliff in a hand, me thoughts them slow. Ital vibration start fi flow. No judgment here, just clean intention. Me board me sage, fi soul redemption. Meditation like river stream. Ital man, live him dream. Ital beat like Naya bingy drum. Pure and deep, it never done. Rhythm in a belly, melody in mind. Ital soul of Rasta kind. Me sing Ital heartbeat in every herb me eat. Me gather me youth round fire glow. Me teach them how the Ital grow. Respect the land, respect yourself. True wealth come from natural health. We dance to drum, we chant in circle. Me tell them story in a miracle. Oh Rasta live, oh we stay true. No plastic vibe, just morning dew. Me queen a smile, she prep the dish. Ital stew pan coconut wish. The moon rise up and bless the sky, and Jah whisper through firefly. So live vital, love vital, breathe vital too. It's a way of life for me and you. Smoke your herb, but clear your mind. Ital living, make you kind. Me heartbeat dance to earth drum call. In Ital life, me rise it all. Me not follow trend or fleeting fashion. Me live with roots and righteous passion. Aye, aye, aye. Meditating at the ganja temple, yeah man. Me rise with the sun pon me face. Me hear the drums in a sacred place. Barefoot walk through morning dew. Me feel Jah love in all me do. Banana tree and callaloo. Me pick me food, me heart feel true. Me no rush, me take me time. Every step a sacred rhyme. Inna the hills, me start me day. Me chant me thanks and then me pray. Rasta Road, I head so long, but me strong like Naya Bingi song. This a Rasta Road, me trod alone, but me spirit carry home. Ganja bone, me thoughts align. Every step a link to divine. Sacred path, no shortcut here. Me forward with no doubt or fear. Me heart it drum, me soul it sing. In every breeze, me feel Jah King. Me meet a elder under fig tree. Him say son, the road not free. You have to keep your soul intact, no matter how the world react. Him pass me chalice, me take a draw. Me vision clear, me overstand law. Not the law of man, but of nature true. Of balance, roots and sky so blue. Me reason deep with ancient man. Him story stretch like desert sand. Him speak of struggle, him speak of peace. Of how the herb brings soul release. This a Rasta road, me trod in love. Guided by the stars above. It no easy, it no quick, but every mile me spirit pick. Every leaf a sacred sign. Every stone a message divine. Me travel light but me carry flame. Of Jah love, me chant him name. Nightfall on the hills again. Me build a fire, me ease me brain. Me draw me pipe and look to sky, and hear the wind start testify. Me child it whisper, hold your way. Keep firm and never stray. Me close me eyes and float inside. The universe now be me guide. Me dreams like rivers flow and bend. This journey it will never end. No destination, just vibration. A soul immersed in meditation. Me no eat no flesh, me mind stay clean. Me all a joy that can't be seen. It no come from wealth or pride, but from peace me feel inside. Me wash me locks in mountain stream. Me live me truth, me wall me dream. Each sunrise bring a brand new song. Me know this road will make me strong. Me chant alone, but not in vain. Me voices echo in Jah name. Each heartbeat drum, each breath a tone. Me walk through Zion all alone. This a Rasta road, me blaze it bright. Me soul a touch, me steps a light. No fame me seek, just irie ground, where freedom's roots and love abound. Ganja smoke, rise to the moon. Me solid dance to ancient tune. Me journey long but me never tire. Me footsteps shine like Maya Bingi fire.
Na dreadlock swinging your man. Nightfall come, me sit alone. Stars above, me far from phone. One drop beat, me thoughts them slow. Inhale deep and let it go. Chalice in a hand, me close me eyes. Me mind drift to the endless skies. No noise, no war, no city fight. Just Jah light and peaceful night. Fire flicker in a moonlight breeze. Me soul exhale, me spirit ease. Ganja scent wrap round me dome. Me body here, but me mind gone roam. One drop dreaming float away into the airy Milky Way. Meditation, hold me tight. Ganja light, me soul tonight. No Babylon, no stress in sight. Me only need the stars and flight. Me rhythm pure, me heart so free. Me float on rhythm like ocean sea. Steam rise from the roots of earth. Ganja bless, me feel rebirth. Me hear the rhythm in me vein. Each heartbeat drum like jungle rain. Me no need no riches or gold chain. Just me plant me drum and nature playing. Every puff a step more near to the inner world. Me also dear. Birds still sing in a distant tree. Even them feel Jah energy. Me thoughts them dance in harmony to ancient sound and melody. One drop dreaming blaze the fire. Rasta chant, me soul rise higher. Me no sleep, me levitate. Me float pan rhythm and meditate. Me leave behind all worldly game. Me hold to love, me call Jah name. The ganja plant, it lead me way. One drop drum, a guide me stay. Silence loud like thunder roll. When me listen deep inside me soul. No distraction, no illusion. Just me heart in sweet fusion. Me sight a vision, glowing bright of Zion hills and morning light. Me chant a psalms, me feel the breeze. Me soul now sailing across the seas. Every leaf a sacred sign. Every breath a link divine. No clock, no pressure, only flow. Me drift where only Rasta know. Me walk alone, but me never alone. Jah there with I, me skin to bone. Me spirit dance, me footstep bless. No more fear, no more stress. Me roll another, me eyes half closed like mystic priest in sacred robes. The rhythm guide, me thoughts align. Me swim through space and cosmic time. Me no run from Babylon now. Me just float, me high like cloud. Me voice a prayer, me words a key. Unlock the soul, set me free. One drop dreaming, stars me bed. Reggae rhythm in me head. Me now wake till morning rise. Me drifting deep through moonlit skies. Urban heartbeat blending one. Me soul a spark beneath Jah sun. Me no escape, me elevate. Me live, me love, me meditate.
smoke, exhale the pain. Feel the roots flow deep in a brain. Me sit by river, me heart beat slow. Me see Jah face where the waters flow. No phone, no screen, no fake delight. Just me and I and the holy light. I chant a psalms, me call Jah name. For wisdom, guidance, no money game. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. Higher meditation, make I hold. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta no fear, we no sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herb a healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Me Empress Bay within the grove. She pick herbs fill with temple stove. She say love is sacred, pure and slow. Me say yes, queen, let it grow. She light the fire, boil bush tea. We chant together in harmony. We no chase cloth, no chase fame. We live ital clean in Jah name. Me feel Jah when me plant a seed. When rain fall and cleanse me need. Me hear truth in every drum. In a silence, wisdom come. Me no need church fi connect to source. Me walk with Jah, me stay the course. Me draw me herb, me close me eye. Me spirit float to Zion high. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. Higher meditation, make I hold. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta no fear, we no sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herb a healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Every puff, a vision clear. Me sight ancestors, them draw near. Them whisper truth from long ago. But how we rise when we stay low. Me burn me herbs in a sacred rite. And dreams reveal in a silent night. No rush, no worry, no enemy. Me free in a disarray.
Ay, 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 ay. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me rise before the sun come up. Me sit by me window, drink from Jah cup. Me inhale the herb, exhale me stress. The silence talk, me mind find rest. Me chant psalms in a belly of dawn. Even when road rough, me heart stays strong. Me nah follow Babylon, run them race. Me walk Jah road, me find me pace. Me nah complain, me overstand. Blessings come with the work of hand. Me nah get tired, me nah get weak. Jah had the strength that me soul seek. Rasta never tired, no. Even through fire, me rise higher, yeah. Meditation and the Kaya light guide me footsteps through Jah night. Rasta never tired, oh no. Me soul keep moving, steady flow. Me drum beat deep like mountain call. Even when me stumble, me not fall. People rushing, system pushing, but me spirit stay cool, never crushing. Them run them car, them chase them goal. Me light me spliff, me story unfold. Me sit on sidewalk in a downtown heat. Me reason with elder, me stay discreet. Me learn from silence, me hear Jah voice. Me walk Ital path, me conscious choice. Me queen she strong, she cook Ital stew. Teach the youths how love come true. Even when rain come hard and wild, me shelter the flame, me hold your child. Me nah need Red Bull, me nah need pills. Me
climb me mountain with natural skills. Me burn me sage, me beat me drum. Even when them say me time no come, me pray for Babylon, but me no bow. Me plant me seeds in sacred ground now. The moonlight guide me in a map. Me nah lose faith, me nah fall trap. Rasta never tired, no lie. Me reach the stars without try. Herbs in a pipe, thoughts in a flight. Me live Jah truth day and night. Me beat Nyaya Bingi till morning break. Me give more love than me ever take. Me nah stop chant till system fall. Me answer the call, me give it all. Zion no far, it in your soul. It no need passport, it no need toll. It at the place where love reign free. It live in roots, it flow like sea. Me carry Zion in a me song. Each verse a wing, each note stay strong. Me build a temple with bamboo frame. Me cook Ital food, me call Jah name. Me smoke me chalice under the moon. Me heart in tune like reggae tune. Me nah sleep on Babylon bed. Me dream awake, me stay ahead. So when the world feel heavy and rough, me remind myself, me soul is tough. Me trot through fire, me smile through rain. Me dance through sorrow, me heal me pain. Rasta never tired, never fade. Me tune still strong like a razor blade. The beat still deep, me breath still long. Me voice still chant redemption song.